Hey Queenies, Ty here with Royal Treatment Hair Club. Wanted to show you this ponytail, quick tutorial on that. If you're doing it on yourself. So you're going to take a scrunchie, some braiding hair, and you're going to go ahead and put the braided hair inside of the scrunchie and go ahead and braid it so that the scrunchie is left out. See that? So then you can connect the scrunchie onto your hair. Now, normally you would take the braided hair and braid it into your ponytail, but it's hard to do that on yourself. So I came up with this idea and I wanted to show you guys today on YouTube. So now I'm going ahead and sewing the bundle around the braid, and this helps my arms. My arms aren't tired. I can see what I'm doing using a needle, and I love this idea, so hopefully you guys try it. So I'm sewing on the island curl from my Queen collection off the website, royaltreatmenthairclub.com. Be sure to check it out. This hair is wonderful. I love this hair. So you can either wear it wet or wear it poofy, however you want to do it. And I do have my hair already molded down, and I'm using the closure from the Queen collection as well. And now I'm going to connect this beautiful ponytail to my bun with the scrunchie. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. The blending, I could have took my time on that, but I just kind of did it really quickly because I wanted to show you guys how you can do this ponytail on yourself. Like, I took 12-inch bundle and made it into a 28-inch ponytail bundle. So, this is awesome, and you're doing it on yourself. So I just rushed through it, and because I had some other things that I had to do. So I kind of rushed through it, but as long as I was able to show you guys this ponytail, that's what the goal was to do today. So after you sewed on, I did leave. So you sewed on the ponytail, but you want to leave excess hair out. So you want to leave about 14 inches of the weft out. That way you can wrap it around as I'm doing it. You see me wrapping it around after I tied the ponytail onto it. And that just helps it feel more secure, and it is more secure. And use open bobby pins to secure it down, and then you take your piece out like so, as usual, and you use your Got2b glue spray to wrap around and hide the bundle. All right, so it's secure, and now we can spray it, make sure it holds all together, and we're done with that part. So now we're pretty much done with the hair, because I'm gonna wear it dry and wear it kind of poofy. And now the only thing to do is make the part a little crispier. I don't have any temporary spray dye, so I went ahead and used mascara, and it worked. I mean, I prefer the spray, but it worked, and we was able to go run our errands. Okay, 28 inches, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to take up on your self-care, and we'll see you next time. Royal Treatment Hair Club.